Everyone. I welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. In this video, learn about what are the different components of Power BI, how to import the data. So first question, to start any project, basically we need to import the data set. So what are the various options to include the data set here? This is the first icon here you can see get data here. Here if you click cursor on here, you can see connect to data from multiple sources. So now click here. We can see different data options like Excel workbook, Power BI dataset, data upload, SQL server, text CSV, web. After if you click here, it is taking time. Yes, we can see all the options here like text, PDF, JSON, Excel database, SQL server, then MySQL database, Oracle database, Azure Cosmos, Azure Data Explorer. Like this, there are around 100 options to import the dataset. We'll see some of them in the upcoming videos. So we can see all those here. So, so after selecting the dataset, click here to connect the dataset to our Power BI here. So time being I will left here. I will cover other in the. Hmm. Hello everyone. Welcome. Hello everyone. I welcome all of you in my SNT Power Vision. In this video, we'll learn about what are the component of Power BI. So let's start here. To start any project here, basically we need to get our data set. So what is the from where we'll get the data? How will we connect it here? For that, the first option is here the get data. This is the get data here. If we click cursor on here, we'll get this icon connect to data from multiple sources. Now click on here. We can see very common data source like Excel workbook, text CSV, SQL server data or data flow. If we click here on the more, we'll see some more options here. It is taking time more than expected. Yeah. Now we can see all the option here like workbook, PDF, Oracle database, IBM DB2 database, MySQL, Sys-based dataset. Like that, there is around 100 option here. Once you selected here, then click on this connect button. Timing I will leave it here. We will learn in the next video how to connect the dataset. So we'll come to the other parts. After loading the dataset, second step is to clean the data. So for that, this is the second step after the transform data here. If we click on here, so whatever data set we have uploaded, it will go to cleaning for it. The second step after we have this data usually that we prepare, transform and clean this data. And we do this in the so-called Power Query editor. This is an extremely important tool and we'll spend a lot of time learning about this tool because this lays always the foundation of every data visualization and we can always access this tool just by clicking here on the icon where it says transform data, and that you will see that this will open up a new window. This is basically a tool in the tool. So this is like its own tool. You can imagine this like the engine room. So this is where all of the data transformation, all of the modeling is taking place. So this is a very important tool here. So we'll learn more about this, how to transform data, how to clean modeling in the next video. So time being that just I will explain what is the functionality of this transform data here. After that next part is the here with three view here. This is report view, this is data view, this is here model view here. So this is the report view here. We can see here. Here we can visualize all our data, create the dashboard, report and all in this. After that, suppose here at timing we don't have any data set here. Suppose whatever data we have uploaded here. So we can see its overview here, like what are the column name, how many rows and all here we can see here. Now next is the model view here. Suppose we have more than one table, like two table, three table. So for their visualization, for the better report, we have to build the relationship between table. And also, so like that it is. We have to build a relationship between table. We have to design our model here. So everything we will do in this data model here. Now, here next very important here the visualization here. Here we can see different visualization, like if you click here is stack bar chart, stack column chart. So where you put cursor, it will display its name. Like here clustered bar chart here. This is pie chart, this is donut chart, this is card, this is the map, this is the field map for geographical data analysis, this is the shape map, this is the table matrix. So these are the standard visualization. Apart from this standard visualization, we also have some custom visualization also. If you click here get more visuals, yes, these are the custom visualization which you have to first select it. Just take an example here. Here, then select any model, then edit and import here. After that, we can work on this visual here. For time being, we leave it here. Yeah, after that, filters. So we have different kind of filter in this Power BI. Like some are the visual level filter, some filter works on this page only. So this is page one here. Like that we have more than one page also, like 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 12. So suppose we have some filter on the entire page only, then we can select this filter on all pages. So this is all about the different component of Power BI.